Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about post-processing techniques in additive manufacturing. Generally in additive manufacturing, many stages the product has to be carried out. Mainly the before printing and after printing. What in say in other words is in before printing the product has to be in the form of 3D model or 3D structure or in a specific data file which should be in digital form of views. So on the other hand, post-processing techniques, after the product is printed by using additive manufacturing, the product has to be taken out from the build table or the building space or the capacity where the product has been printed by using any technology in additive manufacturing, such that many stages has to be carried out in post-processing techniques. Here we are going to discuss about the main four working stages in post-processing. Today we are going to discuss about in that domain. Okay. First will be removing the support structure. Next, to check surface finish. Third will be to remove the extra material in the product, and the last will be coating. This is the four major process where the support structure or post-processing removal has to be carried out. From removing the support structure is the major issue or major post-processing techniques where the support structure has to be removed from the product, which can be very difficult once the product which is in a most complicated structure. Here in main 3D printing process where fused deposition modeling is the most commercially available 3D printer, in that the support structure removal will be somewhat easy when compared to the other technology, where in metal additive manufacturing or in stereolithography apparatus or in ceramic based printing, the removal of support structure is a tedious process because the support structure interbonding with the product which we need to be created has the more strength when compared to the fused deposition modeling. Here in FDM, the support structure removal will be commercially easy when compared to the other 3D printing technology. Then coming to the second point, to check the surface finish. Once the support structure removal has carried over, the second stage will be the surface finish. Once the product has completed printing, once the product temperature or atmospheric temperature has been controlled in a certain manner, the surface finish has to be checked out, because for fine finish or for smooth finish, the calibration process need not to take much more time when the surface finish of the product is in accuracy as per the accepted quantity, where the surface finish can be checked using any micro scaling or any nano scaling. Then third will be the removing of extra material in the product. Once the product is designed, once the product is completely kept in a digital model, the dimensional accuracy will be drafted and designed in a sequential manner. So, removing of extra material only by removing the dimensional variations from the exact design. So, once the design is having the capacity of 10 to 20 mm with the tolerance of 0.2 mm or 0.3 mm, and the extra material having about 0.5 or 0.6 mm, we need to rectify by using a special purpose tool available for the post processing kit, where the 3D printer along with the material process has to be carried out. Then compare it to the coating. The coating is required or feasible only when the requirement of customer will be very depend upon their own application. For fused deposition modeling, the electroplating or electrocoating has to be carried out. For the other type of material such as metals or ceramics or non-metal, which we need to be carried out only by electroplating in a specific static structure. When coming to all this process, it is a stage by stage requirement. So once the product has to be cleared with the post processing techniques, First, it has to removal of support structure is the first step. Second will be we need to check the surface finish. Third, we need to remove the extra material available in the exact product design. Fourth one will be the coating. So once we follow all these things, the post processing technique should be completed. Thank you.